I'm going to be making chicken Alfredo pasta, and for the ingredients we will need 2 chicken breast pieces, and for the vegetables I'm going to use tomato, onion and a garlic piece and 2 different color of capsicums, and I will also use mushrooms and olives because it gives a great taste to the pasta, and of course for the sauce, Alfredo sauce. And the seasonings I'm going to use is crushed chilies, oregano, salt, pepper, as well as some butter for the sauce, and pasta of course. And in the end I'm going to be using some mixed cheese to top the pasta. It will give a very nice cheesy flavor to it. Now I'm going to use, to start with, 1 teaspoon of butter. After the butter is melted, we need to add some garlic, which is minced. Next, you would take another pan and put in 6 cups of water to boil the pasta, and we need to add 1 teaspoon of salt and let the boiled water boil, and then we can add the pasta in it while we are still frying the garlic and waiting. So I cut the chicken breast into strips, and now I'm adding it in the minced garlic. After adding the chicken, just keep mixing it and fry it on high flame for 5 minutes. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt to the chicken. And 1 teaspoon of pepper. You can add more or less, it's your preference. And now we're gonna saute it and cover it until the chicken is soft. Have the tomatoes and onions ready. I added some chili flakes, coriander powder and cumin powder just for making the chicken a little spicy for the pasta. And now I'm gonna cover and close it for 20 minutes until the chicken is soft. I took another pan and added some butter to it, and I'm going to saute the onions and then add the rest of the vegetables for the sauce. I added the rest of the vegetables, tomatoes, red capsicum and green capsicum, and I'm just going to stir fry until they're soft and then add them to the sauce. Now I'm going to add some olives. Now I'm going to add some mushrooms to this. After adding the sauce to the pan, I'm going to add the stir-fried vegetables and mushrooms and olives to the sauce, and as well as add the chicken that is ready as well, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is the result. Add a little bit of parsley flakes to it, give a nice taste. It's your own choice if you want to add parsley leaves. Oregano as well to give a taste, and I'm gonna mix it and then add cheese in the end. So here I added the mixed cheese, which is mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna cover it and let the cheese melt, and then I'm gonna show you the results. So this is the final result of the Alfredo pasta, and now I'm gonna dish it out.